Hey everybody, this is Michael Carter here. Thank you all for joining. In this video here today, we're looking at how you can turn video ads into conversions and profits for yourself and for other businesses. And you're going to do this by using a video ad containing a strong call to action in your actual video, so you then control the visitor engagement. So let's have a look at this program. Again, this is point and click software. You're going to have the ability to create thousands of traffic and sales driving video ads and viral memes. Now you can upload your own video, any YouTube video, or you can use any of their over 1,000 videos, so you can start creating professional video ads and memes in seconds. This is a super cool program. There's a video here. You can click on that and go through that video. It's around 6 minutes, 56 seconds. I'll let you go ahead and do that. But you can mesmerize, captivate, and start driving real results with video ads and memes like these. I'll just give you a quick idea of what these kind of look like. Really vivid images. They captivate your attention. It's a short one, and we'll just get a few seconds of this one here for a car ad. But just having the motion, the video, it's engaging. People love these kind of videos, and they're quick. That other one was about 9 seconds. This is around 42 seconds. It's got a call to action here, which is really important. So it gives you an idea of what you're getting. So the guy that is bringing this to you is Alvin Yang from KV Social. And here's what I love about this guy. He just kind of cuts through it. He gets the fact. He doesn't need to go into this big, long production about why you should be using video and all the stats and all this. You know that by now, that you should be using video ads in your marketing. It is that important. Now, the idea of using video ads is to turn scrollers into buyers. So when you use a video in like Facebook or Instagram posts, people watch the video and they start scrolling again right past your message along with the call to action, right? The CTA. Now video ads, however, they allow you to insert your message and CTA within the video itself and make it part of the video. That's the reason video ads and memes are much more effective in getting you traffic and sales. So before we move ahead, let me add this. I hope you are creating video ads or getting them created right now. There is no better way you can get high volumes of traffic and sales. You go ahead, look up the stats if you're not doing it right now. So for those that are using video ads, let's see what you are most likely doing to get them. Either you're paying someone big bucks to go and do it, or perhaps you're using options like Camtasia, or it could be Adobe After Effects. Problem with these, they're complicated, they're super expensive to use, and it's just not something you want to be doing. They're great platforms, okay, don't get me wrong, but if you don't know what you're doing, if you're someone new, there's a big learning curve there. And again, the other thing is, if you're paying someone to create ads for you, that can get very expensive. Video ad services, look at these, $795, $995, $850, $750. And you're most likely going to get really good ads. I'm not knocking them by any means, but the prices are, they're immense. They're not cheap. And for some people, that's not a problem. Maybe if you're a big business and you're getting the ads done, it's not a problem for you. But for the average person, this is not good for your bank account. So now what do you need to do? Well, before we kind of jump into that, I just want you to meet Med Amin. So Med, he has teamed up. So the two of these guys have teamed up together and they have created VidFactory. So this is the program they've come up with. And again, this is the world's fastest and easiest to use video ads and memes creation software. Again, create hundreds of traffic getting video ads and memes just like the ones that we saw earlier, like these. And this is truly an incredible program. You can create these stunning video ads in 4 simple steps. So the first thing you will do is, if you pick this up, you're going to log in to secure cloud-based dashboard. You click video ads to get started and you select a video that you want to use. You can also use your own videos or you can select from thousands of videos that are inside the video library, or you can use a YouTube video, whatever you want. So step 2, you create the segments or scenes that you want to use by adding your own content. So you can add text, images, buttons, you can add in voiceovers, music, and narration to every scene. In the third step, it gets to work right away and creates your stunning video ad. And it also has complete attention-grabbing CTAs, the calls to action, so you can start getting massive traffic and loads of sales that your business deserves. So it is literally that easy. So the fourth step, now you just render and download your ad. So this isn't really even a step, right? He liked the idea of including 4 steps because everything else is 3 steps. So that's why he did it, right? Bit of a joke here, but so very easy, 4 simple steps where you can start creating these awesome video ads. And this is the reason they like to call it the Camtasia and After Effects killer, because it's so simple to use. There's a drag and drop editor that makes it just dead simple to use. Create these powerful cloud-based video ads. So you can create the perfect video ads anywhere on any device you want. So it works perfectly on different screen sizes. So for mobile, tablets, and PCs. So you can create a video ad with Camtasia on a smartphone. Ever heard of that? Using Camtasia? No such thing. You're not going to do that. But you can do that on your smartphone with VidFactory. Access to thousands of copyright-free videos. You don't have to worry about any kind of copyright infringement. And again, turn any video into a viral meme. So you don't have to have a separate tool. VidFactory does it all for you, and you can transform any video into a viral meme in just a few clicks by adding a top and bottom text to it. Then you save and download your creation. It is that easy. Customizable scene creator. So you can splice any video into scenes or segments. Then you add your own text, images, buttons, music, voiceovers, and narration with just a few clicks. Now here's something really cool. I'm really excited about this because you get commercial rights with this. So what does that mean for you? You get unlimited and developer and commercial rights, so you can sell your video ads to as many clients as you want. So you can create these, and if you have existing clients right now, this is like a really nice add-on where you can start adding this service. If you don't have clients, it's a very simple process. You have something that is in demand that they absolutely need for their business. So you can just go out, create a couple of these videos, and just go and approach a business and say, hey, I've got this. What do you think? They're going to jump all over it. All right, so this is your chance to really be a hero in your local community if you wish. And also use them in your own business, obviously. So a quick walkthrough, you can click on that video and have a look at that as well. So this is perfect. If you or you know someone that has an e-commerce store, if you're a list builder, for affiliate marketers, video marketers, social media marketers, using these ads is important. Again, for local small businesses in your area. Also for freelancers, you can create these really high converting video ads for clients and sell them. There's so much that you can do with this program. Now I also want to mention there are some awesome bonuses they have included with this. So if you pick this up today, you're going to get these bonuses as well. So you get bonus 1 is a live workshop they're doing. You get access to that live workshop. Bonus 2, video portfolio WordPress theme. So you get a really cool theme with this. Bonus 3, Ad Spy Pro. So you can walk into any niche that you choose and dominate it instantly because you'll already know where the money's at every single time before you even spend a dime of your own. Bonus 4, done for you YouTube outros. Really useful. And bonus 5, video list building video training. Some really useful trainings that you get along with this program. Really extreme value. Actually valued at over $500 for these bonuses. So you're getting them free with this program. So if you want to check out VidFactory, I'm just going to leave a link just down below this video. Have a look down there. You can click on that link and you can go and pick up VidFactory. Now, for those that do pick it up, you just have to email me your PayPal receipt. Email it to mike@moneymike.com, because you're going to get entered into my cash contest. It's $103 that is up for grabs, and it's going to be drawn on June 24th. So you just have to get that into me. You'll be entered, and then I'm just randomly going to pick one of those entries on the 24th of June, and that person will win $103, and it'll be PayPal directly to their account. All right, so that's it. This is Michael Carter. Go and check out VidFactory. Do yourself a favor, pick it up and put it to use, and we'll see you on the other side.